Hey guys, Johnny Farrow here, and first of all, I wanted to say sorry that this video is coming so late this week. Usually I release on Tuesdays, and it's just been kind of a crazy week and a half for a multitude of reasons. But first of all, beyond that, I just want to say thank you for checking out my first season of Musician Kitchen. For everyone that has checked it out and commented and been part of the live premieres and such, it really means a lot. So I am going to be doing season 2 very soon, starting next week, and I am actually going to start my second season with an episode. I'm not going to cook. I'm actually just going to talk about my background a little bit as far as cooking goes, you know, and kind of intermixing that with my music background a bit, but kind of more of like a getting to know me kind of a sort of a thing, like getting to know the chef. So in preparation for that, I just wanted to ask you guys, what do you want to know, you know, about me? And this could be personal stuff, it could be anything about my cooking background, it could be my music background, whatever you want to know, you know. I want to answer your questions, and then I also just, you know, if you guys have stuff you want to know, great. If you don't, that's fine too. I definitely have like my background that I can just give to you. So in the comments below this video, if you can just put, you know, what do you want to know? What do you want to know about me as far in the context of this channel or otherwise? So just drop that down below, and guys, I will see you next Tuesday promptly on time, I swear to God. If you can get your comments down there to me by like Saturday or latest Sunday, that'd be great, so I have time to just put the episode together. But other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Have an amazing weekend. I'll see you on Tuesday. Mwah.